Here's how to block someone on Gmail in 2026. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Now, open an email from the person you want to block. You need to open the message itself to access the block option. At the top right of the email, click the three dots menu. From the list, select Block, followed by the sender's email address. Gmail will ask you to confirm. Click Block again, and all future emails from this sender will go directly to your spam folder. If you ever want to unblock them, go to Gmail settings, open Filters and Blocked Addresses, and remove the email from the blocked list. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gmail tips.